Guys, right now we're in Chicago trying to find the Chicago Kendall. Um, Kendall, Kendall shopping, Christmas mart or Christmas shopping something. Okay, yeah, it is on. Man, look at this, all these buildings here. We're looking for the Christmas Kendall Bazaar. But we're going to McDonald's first because we're going to use the restroom. But we're gonna be on this journey. It's gonna be a good journey here. All right, you got Chicago. This is not like Europe, but it's in Chicago. All right, let's move forward. What do you think? You like it? It's kind of cold though. Oh, we got a police down there. We gotta ask them. All right. Oh, nice. Chicago is a little bit, dude, it is cold a little bit, but hey, this is what we signed up for. Oh yeah, that's what we want. But anyway, look at that. And that is Whacker out here. Whacker Street. I like to say Whacker. Yeah, but Whacker. We're just blacking. All right. Let's go. That's going that way. McDonald, but right there. Where at? Oh yeah, McDonald. All right. All right. We're looking for this Christmas Kendall. Christmas Kendall shop. You know, is that what we call Kendall? Man, we need to make sure that we're doing good, and we might get lost here, but I got my chocolate. All right. Chicago at night. You got the palace over there. Nice. We're in Randall. Okay, let's go. What's going on here? What's going on? All right. All right, man, you're ready, dude? We're gonna go find it. You know, let's go. We gotta find this Christmas Kendall. What is it? Shop, bazaar, or what? What do you call? I don't know what they call it. I know. We need to find out. Let's take this journey together. Hello. I know. I don't know. But yeah. All right, guys, we found it. We found the Christmas. Oh, it looks nice here. What do you think?
Cute. It reminds me of the Christmas market in.
Oh, really? Looks so good. Look at that. Hi, what do you have here? Oh, we got some paws and all that. That's good. Okay, you're here till December 24th, right? Okay. Looks really nice. Yeah, nothing in Europe. Yeah. Thank you. That's nice. Okay. It looks really nice here. All kinds of treasures. You know what? This market here, it's surrounded by big tall buildings. Look at that. Big tall buildings. But it's nice. We got some nutcracker, all that. Very nice.
I don't know. I didn't quite get that either.
It's surrounded by buildings. This market, Christmas candle market. All right, let me find out my where's my partner. This is really, this is really nice here. This candle market is all over Chicago. I mean, right around the fort. It's a fort of all kinds of building all over. I'll try to see if I could get a gift. I'm right here, Maddie. See if I could get a gift here. I know. They're expensive? Not really. $3.50. These are all candy. Nice. I'll try to get a gift here soon. Yeah. But you know. What do you think? Yeah. I know it's German. Oh, what do we have? Let's see what do we have here. But are you in order? Oh, yeah, go ahead. I was just looking around, see what's up. Yeah, this is nice down here. Yeah. Meatloaf. Yeah, it's unhealthy. I think. Do you think? No, the potato salad is not bad. German pulled pork. Oh, I don't know. That's good. That's nice. Yeah. I don't know. It's a pork. I don't know why. You think you wanna order? I'll buy. Huh? I know it looks interesting, but it's not really. Yeah. No, I think it's French. Like in Britain. Yeah. It's up to you.
We can come back.
Okay, let's go over here. Sorry. Man, this is a lot of people. It's a lot of people here. The best market. Oh, they really put this in here. We got this. Yeah, last year I was gonna come, remember, but you were here first, but you just took a picture. Oh, what do we have here? German seafood. I know, German. Oh, okay. Let's go. Yeah, look at that. Oh, look at this. Ornaments. Nice. I want to. It's pretty. Nice. You got out there too. Right here, Maddie. Oh, another bratwurst. You want some? Okay. Yeah, I have it, but whoa, strazzle ornament for the tree. It's up to you. I mean, we already got a lot of Walmart. Ooh. All right, let's go. Oh man. Looks pretty neat. You see it? Now they're selling this for. That's not bad. Handiwork. Man, I gotta put my mask on because it's a lot of people here. All right, dude, let's go. Whoa. Nativity.
You can go around.
We could go around. All right. All right, we're going to order. We're going to order. Is it cheese? Baked cheese. You want one? No. I think we're trying to order here. This is really good. God. I think, guys, we got nativity here. This will end our video for tonight for the Christmas candle market.